Friends, today we are going to see how to make a slime with bubble gum. I have cleaned this bubble gum with water. I have made in center fruit. Now this is the Vim soap. This is liquid, and then putting Surf Excel in this. And a little, and mix it. And just I'm putting inside this. See, like this. Little bit inside this. This is a simple slime to make in the home. Just do like this. Now I have lipstick in my lipstick brush, so I'm putting this lipstick inside this. This will come the baby color it and so. I'm going to mix it. See how it's coming. This is the color is not clear. See. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel so you can see my older videos what I'm posting. Who don't have any ingredients to make the slime, they can make this slime. See, some are there to this. This is nothing. Who want to put Vaseline, they can put. This is the easy to make. Who have Vim and Surf Excel, they can put only Vim soap, means it will be getting dirty because the softness will go off. Next video with bubble gum and powder. going to make it. For that, you must subscribe my channel to see my videos. I tried to make some slimes. I want to make this video. Now I can do this time. Wow. But it's not like a jelly, you can see. It's like, see. See. See how it's. Now I'm going to press it. I'll try to make a easy slime by my home. I'll see. I can make what? See this. Okay friends, now the slime is ready. Now we can play with the slime. But small children have not to use a slime. Not this slime, also every slime. 3 is for your same as not yours. See, if you want powder, just use Johnson's Baby. See, I have powdered. See now, just put under your fingerprint and just mix it. And one more pinch. Now see how we can make the slime. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe this channel and make